Websites like this make a lot of money, and surprisingly, they're extremely simple. Take this one for example. It's just a sleep calculator. People visit it to calculate their ideal bedtime and when they should wake up or fall asleep. Another basic example is vClock. It simply displays the current time, with tools like a stopwatch, timer, and alarm clock. It's a one-page utility website with very minimal features, different time zones, simple layout, and very easy to use. Then there's calculator.net, a hugely popular site that hosts different types of online calculators, finance calculators, health calculators, date calculators, and more. These are all extremely ordinary websites, nothing fancy or complex, but they generate significant revenue. Let's look at another example, unitconverter.net. Another simple site, very minimal and straightforward. These types of websites get millions of views because they solve everyday problems and are very user-friendly. People use them all the time. Then we have Wheel of Names, a fun tool where you enter names, spin a wheel, and get a random selection. It's great for games and giveaways. And look, they've got ads on the page, which means they're generating ad revenue from simple daily use. All these utility sites, sleep calculators, timers, converters, they get steady traffic and earn money from ads without needing daily content updates. Let's take unitconverter.net as an example. It gets around 4.1 million monthly visitors, and the average visitor stays for 1.5 minutes. If we calculate based on a more conservative estimate, say 3 million monthly visits, with one ad per page and a $1 CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions, that still brings in over $4,500 per month in ad revenue. Now imagine adding 2 ads per page, or getting a higher CPM. Your revenue increases significantly, and you don't even need users to buy anything. Just visiting or clicking an ad is enough to generate earnings. To get started, we'll use Hostinger, which currently has a great promo offer. Once you claim the offer and sign up, go with the single web hosting 12-month plan. It comes with a free domain, fast performance, and all the features you'll need for a year. I'll include my referral link in the description so you can use it to get an extra discount. After signing up and creating your account, Hostinger will guide you through setting up WordPress. You'll then access your dashboard, where you can begin building your website. Once you're inside WordPress, go to Plugins, Add New, and search for whatever tools you need. For example, if you search for Mortgage Calculator, install any plugin you like. Then go to Appearance Widgets to place it where you want on your site. Each plugin typically provides a shortcode. You can copy that shortcode and paste it into any page using the Add New Page function. Just go to Pages Add New, insert a shortcode block, paste the code, and click Save. When you view the page, your calculator will now appear live. For example, to find the shortcode for a currency converter, go to the plugin settings, find the tool you want, e.g. currency converter. Copy the shortcode, paste it into a new page, save, and publish. Keep adding new pages with different tools like BMI calculators, age calculators, loan calculators, countdown timers, pet age converters. Each one can attract traffic on its own. The more useful tools you offer, the more traffic your site will get. And that means more ad revenue. Don't forget to install important pages like About Us, Privacy Policy, Contact Us. These are essential if you want to apply for Google AdSense or any advertising network. I also recommend installing a mobile responsiveness plugin, which helps you preview and optimize how your website looks on phones and tablets. This is very important for AdSense approval. Once everything is set up, add multiple pages, install high-value plugins, optimize for mobile, apply for Google AdSense, watch your traffic grow. You don't need to update content every day. Utility sites are set, it and forget it. They solve common problems and users come back again and again. I'll also leave a link to the sample website I created in the description so you can explore it, see all the calculators, and get ideas for your own. You can use any hosting you like, but I recommend Hostiner. They're affordable, reliable, and beginner-friendly. You can also use AI Website Builder in Hostiner to help generate pages quickly with minimal effort. Once everything is live, your site can look like this and start earning passively. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. It lets the YouTube algorithm know you value this content, and it helps others discover it too. It's 100% free to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.